Hello guys, welcome back to today's video. Guess what is inside this box? When I came back from market today, I bought this thing in this box. My daughter was so happy. She was like, wow, mommy, pizza. I was pizza. If you should eat pizza that is of this size, will you be okay? So guys, let's unbox. Welcome back to my video. So I believe as a content creator, you'd have known what is in this box. This is ring lights. I went to get ring lights for us, okay? So I checked different sizes and I decided to go for this particular size. This is 18 inches ring lights. Let me show you the circumference of the lights. Wow. This is very beautiful. This is the circumference of the lights. Let me bring us the stand. Yeah. This is the stand. What else do we have? Okay, I bought this one differently. I don't know if the guy cheated me or said I have to buy this one differently. So I don't know if your own came with this or you bought it differently too. Let me know in the comment section. This is the remote. If you are far from the ring light, you can use this remote to control the brightness of the light, everything. Okay, it came with extra phone holder. Like this is one. There's still space for you to fix the other one, and then this. So it came with three. Maybe I'll be using one for now and reserve the two. Look at that thing that you have in this box. Any other thing? Am I forgetting something? Okay. So this is 18 inches ring light made in China. China is a very nice country when it comes to. So I want us to set the ring lights. I've not used this thing before, so let's see how it goes. Okay. If I'm getting this thing first, where this ring lights. Okay. How do I increase the this shoe? Okay. So you can actually, okay, this is the adjustment knob. Like you can keep increasing, you can also decrease, you can decrease. So this knot here is for adjustments. So this size is okay. 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 Then we have another knob besides this. I believe it's for the want to increase the length. Okay, so we are getting it gradually. So I've increased the angle. Yeah, I'm getting it. Then if I should add this to this place, I don't know if I'm missing something. I don't know if I'm missing anything. Then they've already fixed this one for us. So I can still fix another one. So basically this is how the ring light looks like. This is the adapter. I bought this one separately, so you have to plug this. Okay, I hope it's behind this plate that is supposed to plug. Then you now connect this to your light source. So this is how, okay, I've not actually fixed this plate. That is how it looks like. Okay, is there any other thing you did not touch? Okay, something is still in this bag. Okay, let me see where this one will fit in. Like this is meant to be here, from what I'm seeing. And without it, okay. I don't know if this knot is meant to be here, but guys, this is our new ring lights. So later I will get it fixed, okay, so that I won't spoil it. I'm now a former YouTuber. It's not easy filming video without ring light. It's not easy, guys. Like, I just thank God that I've not damaged my screen, because I'm always careful hanging it in different places to ensure that the phone is safe. But thank God we have our ring lights now. Thank you so much, guys, and see you in my next video. Bye.